I have a new portable mini fridge. This is the Silonn 4-liter mini fridge, and I have it here in my bathroom to use for skincare products, but it can also be used for different things, like maybe if you have a college dorm or you're in your office, maybe even living in your car or in your RV. It can be also used for canned drinks, leftovers, even breast milk. Now this mini fridge could also be very handy for someone who might be bedridden and needs to have drinks or refrigerated medication nearby. So here is a look at the box that it comes in. It features the fact that it does have AC/DC compatibility. It has cool or warm options. It's very low in noise. It's portable, very easy to carry, eco-friendly, and non-freons included. Now, this does come with the AC cord, which I have it plugged in with right now. It also has a cord connector for your car. That's 12-volt outlet, and the AC cord is a 110 to 120 volt outlet. So this does have 4-liter capacity. I have my Jade roller in here. This opens up like this. Jade roller in here and some vitamin C, as well as some eye drops. And it can hold up to 6 12-inch cans. This top portion right here is removable. You don't have to have that in there if you don't want to. Now I'm going to close this back up. But it is very compact, as you can see. It measures about 7.8 by 9.44 by 10.43 inches. And it uses 40 watts when the 12-volt input is used and 50 watts when the AC wall outlet is used. It does have a handy carrying handle right here up on the top. I'm going to turn around for you real quick. So it is very easy to move, just FYI. As you can tell, this is the cord it has. It's a nice length, so if it's on your counter or somewhere, maybe on the ground, it's not too long, it's not too short. On the back here is here for your hot. You move this switch all the way to the left. If you want to turn it off, it's in the middle. Turn it all the way cold for the chilling function, which is what I have it on right now. And then here's your AC port and then your DC port. It is very quiet. I didn't think it was working at first because it is so quiet, but it started getting cold. I have a thermometer in there just to make sure that it gets down to a good refrigerator temperature. Now, it did just mention that it can be used in a hot or cool setting with the switch back here. I won't be using the warm setting. I don't intend on using that. But it does get up to 149 degrees Fahrenheit. And the cool setting gets to about 32 to 40 degrees cooler than the room temperature. Now this does come in different colors. What I have right here is the Jade Black. You can check the Amazon listings for the other colors that are available. There's pink, there's a white. So this is the Silonn mini fridge, and this is definitely a very useful product whether you're on the road or at home, whether you want to cool stuff down or warm stuff up like your food, drinks, or your skincare. Be sure to check the description section below for more links to this product. We appreciate your likes, comments, and be sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.